Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need an Apple ID signed into settings and a working cellular or Wi-Fi connection. This is required for activation. Once you open Settings Messages, toggle iMessage on and watch for Waiting for Activation to change. Make sure your phone number and any reachable emails are listed under Send and Receive. This tells Apple where to route iMessage. If you're already signed in, toggle off and on again to force reactivation. This fast step often resolves simple handshake issues. Now you'll configure Send and Receive so messages land where you expect. Tap Send and Receive, then check the phone number and any emails you want active. This controls which addresses appear to others when you message. Next, set Start New Conversations from to your preferred caller ID. This prevents replies from splitting across addresses. If you use multiple Apple devices, enable text message forwarding and approve each device. This shares SMS through iMessage, keeping conversations unified across iPhone, iPad, and Mac. Finish by testing. Send a message to a contact who uses iMessage. A blue bubble confirms success. If activation fails, toggle iMessage off, sign out of Apple ID in Settings, then sign back in and reboot your iPhone. This refresh usually clears tokens. Make sure your time zone and date are set to automatic, and check with your carrier that SMS activation messages aren't blocked, because Apple sometimes sends an SMS to confirm your number. If problems persist, contact Apple support with your device serial number.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.